where we allotted for 2:30. Now you can't. It's back correct. You do the rally and all that. That's great. But at 2:30, offense wrong. So we gotta go.
That's 12,000. Let's go back. You're taking us all to jail.
No.
There was a waiver for the event. The reinstitute.
So we're all going to jail.
I got you covered.
If we don't abide by the tyranny that y'all are repressing. What's the difference between that?
Okay. We don't want to rise to that level. You know, we're just listen. You can. Just right now. Right now, this is a city park, and they've reinstituted the city ordinance. All right. You know, I just wanted to give y'all fair warning. You know, as a gentleman should do, and that's it. You know, appreciate y'all coming down. We had a good time. You know, but like I said, they had waived it so you guys could express yourself.
Y'all read the Constitution? Have a nice day, sir. So you have a nice day, sir. One right here.
Like I said, you're more than welcome to enjoy downtown. But like I said, the city parks, they're reinstituted.
City property for the public.
City parks.
And poets can't even sell their poetry in these areas at a higher rate because I got busted for doing that. You know what I mean? They're real sensitive on these. Real sensitive.
I'm sensitive about my constitutional
I know
right
exactly
to keep and
what
bear
you
arms.
mean. I know exactly what you mean.
Tyrants with badges don't scare me either. So if I go over there, y'all are going to arrest me, take me to jail? Is that what you're saying? I'm testing the waters because I'm about to walk over there. I want to know if I'm going to jail.
Here's the situation, all right? We gave the waiver so you could have the rally.
The waiver is the Constitution of the United States.
This is a city ordinance that pertains, listen, it pertains to firearms, city property, okay, and city parks, all right? Right now, that law has gone back into effect, all right?
Were you present for the speech by Commissioner Patterson?
By who? Terry Patterson?
Yes.
Yeah, I was here for that.
You were here for his speech. Do you recall his words in reference to the subject you're talking about right now?
What in particular?
His directions, his instructions, his guidance, and his statement was that the police aren't against you. If there's ordinances, there's ordinances. Police are not here to debate the ordinances. It's not our job. He clearly said we're the enforcement branch, not the law writing branch, not the legislatures. Okay? Which means the law is in effect. It is a valid law.
But as a police officer, you took an oath to uphold the Constitution, and that's the law of the land. So if you're going to implement an unconstitutional law,
and for you to decide whether it's constitutional or not, we're required to be taken up in court, not out here on the street. It's not our role to do that.
well, your role is to uphold the Constitution, no matter what kind of laws are in place. If it's an unconstitutional law, you don't abide by it because you're a constitutional law enforcement.
And who decides in this country, by Constitution, who decides what is constitutional? The Supreme Court, not me.
Okay, but as an officer, if something is unconstitutional, you ignore it because it's unjust. That's an oath keeper.
I have got no information, no guidance or anything from above that that's an unconstitutional law. And I'm not going to debate whether it is or it is not.
Well, not
I will
even
tell you
debating,
this.
just for some personal research, read the Texas Constitution. There's a thing that's called a preemption law, and a city or a municipality. I'm not arguing. I'm just letting you with some information also. It's called the preemption law, and no city or municipality can make a law stronger than the Texas Constitution in the case of firearms. Just some personal research I ask of you to also.
Now, at this moment, is not when we're going to do research, and we're not going to do debate, we're not going to hold a trial.
Right. We're just having a discussion right now.
We're having a discussion. But the discussion will not come with me changing law here on the street. I can't do that. I don't have that authority, nor will I.
You do have authority to uphold the Constitution. that is to allow us to
and the laws of the state of Texas and the ordinances of the city of San
unless they're
Antonio.
unjust and they go against the Constitution.
And it is not my role to decide whether it is just or unjust.
You're
at this
wearing a
moment.
badge. You should be the person who decide that. If it's an unlawful arrest, you shouldn't be doing it. You shouldn't bother with
I
it.
don't believe it's
I'm bearing arms.
It is not my, like I said, it has not been, it has never been ruled as an unconstitutional or unjust law. It is a city ordinance. Okay?
The Constitution is pretty clear.
Our chief of police was very kind and very gracious and directed us for the purposes of your demonstration to allow the demonstration to go. Although you did not comply with the law, did not comply with our request to get a permit.
It's unjust. We don't need a permit to demonstrate our right to keep and bear arms and free speech or you kidding me? That's tyrant. That's tyrannical, man.
You were on these.
You guys are a
You were
bunch
on
of
these
tyrannical
grounds.
thugs with badges.
You were on these
Embarrassing
grounds.
yourself.
You were on these grounds,
Y'all are
unequally treating the people. You were selling and making a profit on a city park, while other vendors at this park,
I didn't sell anything.
members of this organization or the organizations that ran this,
I'm a member of the American, the Constitution of the United States. I'm a citizen here.
our chief
I was just here.
instructed us to not enforce the city ordinance for the purposes of the demonstration. The demonstration is now over. We went through the park,
The
30 minutes.
demonstration's not over because I'm still demonstrating my right to keep and bear arms.
At this time, we're going to go ahead and ask everyone to leave.
I'm gonna go ahead
You
and
will
walk
have
over
5
there.
minutes to leave this park. You are on park grounds now.
Can we be on the sidewalks and stuff?
Not on these sidewalks. This sidewalk is part of the park.
Oh, yeah. Maybe on the sidewalk.
I
across
say
the
we
street?
just go ahead and
Opposite
walk
side of the
all
street?
over there.
Okay.
Anyone that remains will be cited for violation of city ordinance.
I think I can decide for anything.
If only they were alive today, they'd be ashamed.
5 minutes, we will cite everyone for violation of city ordinance, refuses to leave the city.
Y'all should be ashamed of yourself. How do you sleep at night? Y'all are just waiting, aren't you? Come on with it. So they only allow us for a few hours, and then after that, no.
You can be free when we say
You gotta choose to be on the side of right or the side of tyranny. History will judge every one of you. You got families, you got children too. This is not what you want your children to grow up in. Y'all gonna have to choose a side one day.
Yeah,
One day.
because
Choose this side, y'all gonna
we're not y'all's enemies.
We're all
We're
brothers
not.
right here. We're all dudes, man. All gotta get along, man. Don't obey the legal orders. You're trying to play it off, but I know it's going through you, bro.
Everything that Hitler did was legal.
Right.
That's true.
If Hitler asked you to do this, that would be illegal.
Brother, you can go. It's just like I said, we're just shutting down the park area. You're free to go to your car. You're free to walk. Listen, you're free to walk on the sidewalk with your weapons. You know, that's great. I mean, we have no issues with that. All right,
What if I come back tomorrow? You're gonna have an issue with that?
walking around on the sidewalks. No, not at all. You know? And we never have had an issue. Okay. It's not us versus you. I mean, we came here to help y'all and actually expedite to get your message out today. You know, a couple of situations that we helped as well. Guys that didn't appreciate your message, and they didn't like you guys. They wanted to start a fight. We prevented that. Okay, and that was for you guys.
Thank you very much.
Listen, we work for you guys just like anyone else. You know, we have to listen. You know, we're mandated by our bosses, and we don't get in a competition with you guys. You know, I mean, we probably have more in common than you think. You know, like I said, it's been a great day. We're all tired. You know, y'all been fun. You know what I'm saying? It's just they would like to resume normal operations on the plaza. That's it. And if you'd like to go to your car, all means, and you're always welcome in San Antonio. Okay?
Yeah. Well, I don't like this. What are we gonna do about it?
I don't know.
We can.
Is there some sort of instruction?